Hello everyone, this is Professor Sneha More. Welcome back to the online lecture of Dr. D.Y. Patil Center for Management and Research. Today we are going to learn evolution of strategic human resource management. There are three steps of evolution of strategic human resource management. First one is personnel management. Second one is human resource management. It is in 1970s. And the third one is strategic human resource management. It is in 1980. Firstly, we are going to study the first step of evolution of strategic human resource management. That is personnel management. The early 1970s witnessed the emergence of the term HRM, means human resource management, as a replacement for personnel management. The change in terminology also suggests a change in the objectives and boundaries of the function. The main objective of HRM is to ensure the achievement of organizational goals through people. The human resource management function emphasizes two aspects. The first one is the importance of gaining the commitment of the people to the goals of the organization, and the second one is the need of for a strategic fit between business strategy and HR strategy. Then the personnel management and HRM differ from each other on several counts. One major difference being that while personnel management is a part of the more mechanistic form of organization is aligned with the organic design of the organization. Then we are going to study from personnel management to HRM. The personnel management is more bureaucratic with high levels of centralization and formation and lower levels of flexibility. Human resource management, on the other hand, is decentralized, flexible, with low levels of formalization and has a cross-functional and hierarchical teams. Another difference between the personnel management and human resource management that has been pointed out is the strategic nature of HRM. Personnel management is not viewed as involved in the strategic areas of business. Despite of these differences, it is often believed that HRM is just a more modern term for personnel management. Hence, may be seen as an approach rather than as an alternative to traditional personnel management. Then we are going to study from HRM to SHRM, how it is converted to HRM to SHRM. The dynamic and competitive business environment resulting from globalization has led management to bring a new focus on how human resource should be organized and managed. The HR function now has to develop a more strategic role. The early 1980s saw the emergence and increase in the use of the term strategic human resource management. The late 1980s and early 1990s witnessed a visible convergence between HRM and business strategy. In the 21st century, this convergence has become startlingly obvious with the use of terms such as knowledge, network, knowledge-based firm, and the virtual organization. When adjective strategic is prefixed to HRM, it puts an emphasis on the ways in which HRM contributes to organizational effectiveness. The strategic human resource management focuses on the relationship of HRM and emphasizes proactive HRM at the strategic level of the organization. SHRM is concerned with organizational effectiveness and performance, chances in structure and culture, matching resources to the present and future requirements of the organization, capability development, employment relationship, and change management. Since corporate plans are implemented through people and because human resources provide competitive advantages to the organization, it is important to integrate HR consideration with the development of the strategic corporate business plans. And the next content is the strategic fit. The HR strategy should be aligned to the business strategy. It's vertical fit. Better still, HR strategy should be an integral part of the business strategy, contributing to the business planning process as it happens. Vertical integration is necessary to provide congruence between business and human resource strategy so that the latter support the accomplishment of the former and indeed helps to define it. Horizontal integration with other aspects of the HR strategy is required so that its different elements fit together. The aim is to achieve a coherent approach to managing people in which the various practices are mutually supportive. That is the strategic fit. That is about today. Thank you so much.